Hey everyone, and welcome to Explore Your Roots. It's Photo Restoration Tuesday, so we're going to colorize a picture of my second great-grandfather from my mom's side of the family. And before we jump in, as always, consider giving us a follow on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and subscribing to us on YouTube and Apple Podcasts or Spotify, as well as checking out our website, exploreyourroots.org, for fun weekly content. Alright, let's get started. And there it is, a quick and easy way to fix up old photographs. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to us on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, or Spotify. And again, follow us on our social media pages on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And we'll see you next time.